You've got a wonderful Shopify store and you want to bring it across to your Dunedin store, but no problem, we've got your back. Head down to Settings, then under Settings there you're going to find Apps and Sales channel. Developer Apps is where you want to go next, and you want to create an app. Under the app name, call it what you wish, My App in this case. Select your own email address. Head to API Credentials, and then Configure Admin API Scopes. There's a big long list down here, but what we want to be hunting for is under Products, Read Products. Tick that box and click Save. Once that's done, back to API Credentials, Install App, and Install. Smash that Reveal a Token once, copy that little guy, and then in another tab, head back to your Dunedin store. Click on Settings in the account, and under Products, you can expand. We're going to choose Shopify because that's our store, and we're going to paste that token right into the Access Token field. Don't forget to put the domain that your Shopify store is hosted on. Now if we head to Products, we can sync products, and this will bring across all the products sitting in your Shopify store. This may take a while depending on how many products you're being ported across. Ensure your products are tagged in your e-commerce as Dunedin Store, capital D, capital S, no space. But once they're there, happy selling.